If you've been in a car accident, there are two ways to get your medical bills paid, other than simply paying cash. The first is to use your health insurance. The other is to get treated by doctors who take a lien on your case. This means that you agree that the medical providers can get paid out of the settlement that you eventually get. Now people ask me, hey, if I have health insurance and they will cover my treatment, why would I ever get treated on a lien? The answer is that sometimes it can make sense for a number of reasons. Number one, copays. You may have expensive copays and coinsurance, whereas with a lien, you may have to pay nothing out of pocket. Number two, bureaucracy. With insurance, there is often endless bureaucracy to get authorized for the treatment that you need. With treatment on a lien, we're often able to get you the treatment that you need, much faster and with no red tape. Number three, discounts. With treatment on a lien, we can often negotiate deep discounts on their medical bills. Often I'm able to get medical providers to reduce their fees to pennies on the dollar so that it doesn't eat up my client's settlement money. Number four, subrogation. Insurance companies too can put a lien on your case and demand to be reimbursed out of your settlement money. In the law, we call this subrogation. But insurance companies don't always seek subrogation, and even when they do, here too, we can often convince them to reduce their reimbursement substantially. So the ultimate question of whether it makes sense to use your health insurance or to get medical treatment on a lien is a very complex one. And it's really different in every single case. If you're in this situation, we invite you to call us at Shouse Law Group. We will study your situation and come up with the best plan to get you the treatment you need, to get it quickly, and with the least amount of net cost to you.